Hi, today I'm going to tell you how to refill your washer wiper fluids. So it's very important that we keep this level filled for safety on our roads. In case there is a spillage that splashes up onto your windscreen, the ease of being able to clear this off for visibility is paramount to road safety. So very easy to refill. We flip the cover on the top. We will refill with just standard tap water and only specific windscreen additives. Please do not use detergents within your system as this will cause blockages. So simply refill with clean tap water, close the lid, and job is done.
My son helped me out once by putting some additive into the washer wiper receptacle, but he put too much in and it became very soapy and...
Yes.
You got a bubble bath on your screen and you can't see through.
That's right. It made it worse.
Yeah, because there is a little motor in the bottom that forces the water up through your spray jets, and if it agitates it too much, it will just become a foaming mess. So that's why when we pop it in, a lot of the windscreen washer additives have an indicator on them. So they have little lines all down the side of the bottle. So if you just go from one line to the next, it's generally a good indicator of how much to pop in your empty washer bottle.
RAC, for the better.